Lena, oh my God, me have to tell you about one trip me go on. Me there foreign, again. Me go on one trip. Bus trip. Oh God. It's the worst thing me ever do in my life. Me go on one bus. Them call some bus trip. Pay a little money out of my pocket for go because me say me I do my little business and I need to come up and get some clothes, some clothes and shoes, some, perfume, the perfume them sell, and, the little jewelries and all of that. So, me go up on a trip with my family, and oh my God, the bus full. It's full. Till our people are stand up in the aisle. Me say, oh, you going to stand up in the aisle for all 8-9 hours. Them say them is okay. Them sit down on the box, them at the back. Oh, so me say, all right. And we sit on a bus, it's very uncomfortable. Everybody have a whole heap of luggage. Me say, them a go away for 2 days. Where them a come with so much baggage. These people don't think about anybody else. Because if you think about other people, say, the bus are going to be full. You not go shop. Where you go put all of them bag where you bring, plus the bag where you buy. Them full, you see. So anyways, the bus trip start. One woman comes to the by front with a microphone and talks, this is the bus trip, about elegance bus trip or some name, sir. Luxury bus trip or some talk. I put on some Canadian twang. So I said, oh my God, this is funny. So anyways, I'm sitting on the bus and I'm tired, because we are leaving at middle of the night. So I want to sleep. The woman just talk. I said, oh my gosh, should not stop talk? Me even asked her up and said, excuse me is tired and I want to go to sleep. Could you stop talk over the mic when I want to hear you? She talk about this, I talk about that. She take, oh my God, we go on the bus. She take offering on the bus and sing hymns. She start singing hymns to Amazing Grace and sing hymns and send round collection bucket. Me say, oh, see, oh my God, to buck. Me did almost cuss out, but me no cuss. But me say, oh my gosh, what is this? Me tired. It's 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. Woman I sing and I take collection plate, send around collection plate like this at church. Me say me pay me $80 to go up on the bus already. Me not have no money to put in a collection plate. So anyways, me say, all right. Me stand up and tell them me tired. Everybody turn around look at me. A cut yeah and I go. Me say, excuse you. Anyways, so the woman I talk and go on and she finally stop chat. And everybody quiet, them turn off the light and bus. All of a sudden, them have some little screen TV. Them start play some African movie. Oh my God, me almost die. They put on the movie and the nights just go on and on and on and on all night. Me say, see, at night time, we don't sleep at night time. Even if we drive, you can't sleep, right? We don't ask for no movie and me got a night African movie. Me was so upset. Me say, me want my money back. Turn around the bus and bring me back where me come from and give me money back. Cause me not sign up for no sleep all night. I have to go shopping in the morning. With no energy. That's madness. Me don't understand how them run them sitting there. Me say me pay me $80. Everybody on this bus pay them $80. Them not pay for an African movie. If you want an African movie, you go rent an African movie, you go buy an African movie and go watch it in your yard. Come on the bus when ask people if they're interested in watching the movie and just take liberty and go put on a movie without asking nobody permission. That's rude and that's wrong. I'm a very distinguished woman. I said I can talk for myself. I don't sit down and let people take advantage of me and try to rip me off for me pay my money. So anyways, them look at me, them cut them eye, the woman kiss her teeth, but them turn off the movie. They get me way, them turn off the movie. So we get to sleep a couple hours, but me tired, you see. My voice all gone. My voice groggy. You can't hear it in my voice now. They're very disappointed in it, you know. They did get some little things. They pick up some little things still. Some little accessories, and, you know, some bag. Them have the bag, the Prada bag and the Coach bag and the Juicy Couture bag and thing. Pick up some little Ed Hardy t-shirts and, you know, some little thing me can sell down a yard, you know. You know, so me feel good about me buy, but me just did very upset about the bus ride. You know, but when coming back, it was a lot different. Them know them place. They put them in a them place for sure. Anyway, Lena, baby, me talk to you.